I'm just going to take a quick second and show you what your child is going to be bringing home tomorrow when they leave picture day. I'm going to give everybody a plastic bag that looks like this, and it's going to have a lot of resources in it, and I don't want everything to get lost and confused before we actually get to that point of our class. So the first thing in the bag is going to be a Scholastic book order. These are for October, so you can take these out, look at them, do whatever you want with these orders. We don't need to save these for class. The next thing in the bag is going to be a set of pieces of construction paper for an art project. I have everything paper clipped together, so when I ask your child to take out the gray packet of paper, all the pieces are clipped together, so don't take this apart. That way it doesn't all get lost and misplaced before we're ready to do this project. Behind that, there's going to be another paper clipped collection of half sheet paper size books, if that makes sense. These are all books that have our color words in them that you've been practicing on sight word cards, and I'm going to be using them for various assignments in class and as homework assignments. So I've paper clipped all of them together. The one that says apples is on top. If I ever reference, sorry about the bell. If I ever reference color word books, this is what I'm talking about. Behind that is going to be another paper clipped set of papers, and these are books that go along with this week in our reading program. So these books have the words I can, and this one right here, you're going to be seeing a lot of books come home that look like this. These are foldable books. So for each one, you'll see there's page numbers on them. You're just going to fold it in half. And then you'll see that there's page 1, 2, 3, and the back is page 4, okay? And same thing with this one. The books are only one sheet. They're foldable, and they go with this week's reading unit. These books you can put inside your child's book box that they've already created, so you can have them to practice. Same thing with the other books in this paper clipped packet. I Can Move and I Can. These are books that they already will know how to read based on what we've learned in class. These books are all ready to go directly into your child's book box, so whenever you do reading at home, these are what they should be practicing at this time. Then behind that, there will be some letter M activities that look like this. Just hang on to these in your bag. And then you're going to come to the red packet. And from this point on backwards in this bag, it's all materials for next week. So this packet, same thing. It's a craft where all the pieces are already paper clipped together. Leave it together so that it doesn't all get misplaced before we actually do this project. Behind that project, there are going to be more materials for next week. Things that have the letter A, and then books that we will be learning next week with new sight words. Don't put these ones in the book box yet because we haven't taught these sight words yet. So just hold off on those. Next week, we'll get to all this stuff, and I'll let you know when you can add the new books from the bag into the sight word into the book box, okay? So I hope that makes sense. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I will see you all tomorrow.